Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your Ford Maverick? Discover how the right tonneau cover can transform your truck into a stylish, versatile, and secure powerhouse. In this video, we dive deep into the ultimate picks for the best tonneau covers that fit your Ford Maverick like a glove. From sleek designs that enhance your ride's aesthetics to heavy-duty protection that keeps your cargo safe from elements, we've got it all covered. Join us on this thrilling journey as we explore must-have features, expert recommendations, and insider tips to choose a tonneau cover that perfectly complements your lifestyle. Hit that play button and elevate your Maverick experience today. Don't miss out. Number 7. Tonneau has hit the mark with their hard tri-fold truck bed tonneau cover. Designed specifically for the 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick with a 4.5-foot bed. This custom-fit cover not only enhances your truck's utility, but also offers exceptional protection. Made from high-quality FRP material, it boasts excellent scratch resistance, ensuring your cargo stays safe from weather elements like rain, snow, and UV rays. Installation couldn't be easier, as it requires no drilling and comes with clear instructions. Enjoy the convenient access with flexible folding options, allowing you to quickly retrieve items without hassle. With a robust bearing capacity of up to 450 pounds, reinforced latches, and embedded clamps, safety is top priority. Plus, an included LED light makes item retrieval a breeze in low-light conditions. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for your Ford Maverick, the Tonneau Hard Tri-Fold cover is an unbeatable choice, combining style, durability, and ease of use in one great package. Number 6. MaxMate Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is perfectly compatible with the 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick's 4.5 54-inch bed, making it an ideal choice for truck owners seeking a dependable cover. Featuring a US-designed patented dual-coated, heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl. This cover is built to withstand various weather conditions while maintaining a sleek exterior finish. The innovative design includes built-in horizontal crossbars for support, ensuring a flat surface when in use, and the ability to roll up for full bed access when needed. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, thanks to the included instruction and mounting hardware. Plus, small modifications to the bed liner might be necessary for perfect fitment, ensuring that you're not compromising on functionality. With a Velcro strip seal and latch lock system for added security, and adjustable tension to keep the vinyl wrinkle-free, this tonneau cover truly excels. Enjoy peace of mind with a 10-year no-hassle warranty for US customers, making it the best tonneau cover for your Ford Maverick. Number 5. Autosaver 88 FRP Hard Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for Ford Maverick owners looking to enhance their ride. Specifically designed for the 2022 to 2025 models with a 5-foot bed, this tonneau cover ensures a perfect fit that maintains the truck's sleek appearance. Its robust construction utilizes fiberglass reinforced polymer, FRP, with an internal PP honeycomb structure, providing incredible durability that can withstand up to 450 lb. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, just 6 sturdy clamps, making it user-friendly. Beyond its ease of use, this cover offers superior protection against rain, snow, dust, and theft, while also keeping your belongings private with its secure locking mechanism. Plus, its aerodynamic design boosts fuel efficiency by reducing wind resistance, making it not just a protective accessory, but a smart investment for your Ford Maverick. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for your truck, look no further than the Autosaver 88 FRP Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Number 4. Whale Motor Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for Ford Maverick owners looking for the best tonneau cover. Designed to perfectly fit 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick with a 4.6-foot box, this soft roll-up cover combines convenience and durability. Installation is a breeze with its user-friendly clamping system, requiring no tools and saving you valuable time. The easy roll-up design allows swift access to your truck bed, so you can load and unload items effortlessly. Crafted from high-quality vinyl and aluminum, this cover is built to withstand the elements, ensuring exceptional weather resistance and protecting your cargo. Plus, its aerodynamic design not only enhances the truck's appearance, but also improves fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, giving you more mileage for your money. With 2 side rails, 6 mounting clamps, weather stripping, and a 12-month warranty included, Whale Motors tonneau cover offers an unbeatable blend of functionality and style. Don't miss out on this must-have accessory for your Ford Maverick. Number 3. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for Ford Maverick owners from 2022 to 2025. Perfectly fitting 4.5-foot, 54-inch beds. This U.S. patented cover is crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, ensuring lasting durability while maintaining a sleek exterior finish. Its innovative design features a robust aircraft-grade aluminum frame and stainless steel clamps for straightforward installation without any drilling. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide excellent support, and they conveniently fold up, allowing full bed access whenever necessary. The installation process is simple, with all necessary instructions and mounting hardware included. A note for buyers with over-the-bedrail bed liners: small holes will need to be cut to secure clamps properly, with a limited lifetime warranty available for U.S. customers. The Tiger Auto T3 tonneau cover stands out as the best tonneau cover for Ford Maverick enthusiasts, combining functionality, style, and reliability all in one package. Number 2. Tomoka 4.6 feet FRP hard folding truck bed tonneau cover is the perfect choice for Ford Maverick owners looking for durability and functionality. Designed specifically for the 2022 to 2025 Ford Maverick with a 4.5-foot bed, this tonneau cover boasts a solid construction made from high-strength fiberglass reinforced polymer, ensuring longevity and stability. Its waterproof and UV-resistant properties provide excellent protection against the elements, keeping your cargo safe from rain, snow, and dust. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, thanks to the user-friendly design and included instructions, making it accessible for everyone. The matte black finish not only enhances the truck's aesthetic appeal, but also reduces light pollution at night. With a reliable latching system, the cover stays secure and theft-proof during your journeys. Tomoka backs its product with a comprehensive 3-year after-sale service and 24/7 online support, ensuring you get the most from your purchase. If you're searching for the best tonneau cover for Ford Maverick, look no further than the Tomoka tonneau cover. Number 1. Rough Country's Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. This cover boasts a sleek, low-profile design that seamlessly fits your truck with its trifold functionality, allowing for easy access to your cargo. Constructed from corrosion-resistant, matte black aluminum, it combines durability with style, enhancing the overall look of your vehicle. The auto-latching system ensures your belongings are secure upon closure, while the simple squeeze latches allow for hassle-free one-handed operation, whether you need to drive with the cover fully open, in a 2/3 position, or completely closed. The convenient quick connect prop rods and nylon straps have you covered. Installation is a breeze with the secure track and rail mounting system, no drilling required, and all tools are included. Plus, you can trust Rough Country's exceptional customer support and enjoy peace of mind with their limited 5-year replacement warranty. Equip your Ford Maverick with this exceptional tonneau cover for reliable protection and style. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Ford Maverick can significantly enhance its functionality and style. Whether you prioritize security, ease of access, or aesthetics, there's an option out there to suit your needs. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts, and share this video with fellow Maverick owners.